In this video, we will discuss how to understand a switch in a control relay panel drawing. In any switch, there are different contacts. There are so many contacts, but when any contact will make or break, it is depends upon switch position. That is, in this case, there are 3 number of state or 3 number of position in this switch. Now we will take use of matrix method to understand this better. For easy understanding, we take one switch have only 3 contacts and 3 number of positions. This is our switch. Now we will draw a matrix on this switch, and remember that any contact have only 2 state. They are open or close, or we can say in other way that any contact have only 2 states. They are make or break. So we will take use of binary method to understand this. We will start from column position. Suppose we will start from normal position. Switch is now is in normal position. Now we will check whether there is any shaded position in any cell. If yes, then we will write 1 in that cell. Here it is 0 because in this cell there is no shaded position. Here this is 1 because this is shaded. Now here is another example. This is a switch with 3 number of contacts and 3 number of position, but the contact configuration is different. Now we will try to draw this matrix. In this cell there is shaded condition, shaded area. So this is 1, this is 1, this is, there is no shading, so this is 0, this will be 0, this is 1, this will be 1, this will be 1, this will be 0, this will be 0. Now what is the meaning of this matrix? Meaning of this matrix is that this contact will make if it finds 1 in any switch position. Suppose this contact will make if this switch is kept in inter or transfer position. This, if switch is kept in transfer position, then there is 1 and this is another 1. So this contact 2 and contact 3 both will make if switch is kept in transfer position. Now back to control relay panel drawing. Here this contact will make, this is shaded position and this shading is done on normal and inter, both switch position. So this contact will make if switch is kept in normal or inter, any position, but this contact will in break position or open position if switch is in transfer condition. Here is another example. This is a PT selection switch. If this switch is kept in BVT1 position, then this contact will make and these 2 wires will get shorted, and if this same switch kept in BVT2 position, then these 2 wires will not connected because this contact is no longer in make condition. Now here is one question for you. You can draw one matrix on this switch. This is a switch of 4 number of contacts and 3 number of position. You can get the condition of any contact depending upon switch position by making one matrix here. So, this is question for you. Thank you for watching.